Chapter 46. Mahanivaran. Indicated 2 years earlier, Baba left his mortal body after giving life to Tatya and Ramachandra. Feeding the hungry is to feed me, Sai in his last moments. Mahanirvan. Indicated 2 years earlier. Baba had a light fever on 28th September 1918. This fever persisted for 2 to 3 days. After it, Baba gave up the idea to take food, due to which his body began to become weak and lean. After 17 days, that is on 15th October 1918 at about 2:30, he left his body. This time is according to Professor G.G. Narke's letter of 5th November 1918, which he had written to Dada Sahib Karpade and was published in Sai Leela Patrika on page 7 to 8 first year. 2 years earlier, Baba had indicated that time of his taking Nirvan, but at that time nobody could understand it. The event is like this. On the day of Vijay Dasmi, during evening, the people were returning from Simo Glahan. Then Baba suddenly got angry, taking out the cloth of his head, kafni, langoti, tearing them into pieces, threw into the burning duni, getting ahuti, oblation from Baba. The flames of the duni became double and the shine of his face was shining more than it. He was standing totally naked, and his eyes were shining like burning coal. He spoke loudly in excitement to people. "Oh, people, come here. Looking at me, make it totally confirm that I am a Hindu or Muslim." All were trembling with fear. Nobody was having the courage to go near him. After some time, his devotee, Bagoji Shinde, who was suffering from terrible disease, took courage, went near Baba, and anyhow put his langkot and said to him, "Baba, what is this? Oh God, today is Dasera." Then striking his satka on the ground, Baba said, "This is my Simo Glahan." Up to 11, his anger did not come down, and the devotees doubted about the procession being taken out. After 1 hour, he came to his usual condition and, as usual, wearing his dress, participated in the procession. By this event, Baba had indicated that to cross over the line, life, Dasara is the proper time, but at the same time, nobody could understand its real meaning. Baba gave some more indications, which are as follows. Baba left his mortal body after giving life to Tatya and Ramachandra. After some time, Ramachandra Patel became very ill. He was feeling very much troubled. All kinds of treatments were done, but of no avail. And becoming hopeless from life, he was waiting for the last minute of his death. Then one day at night, Baba suddenly appeared at his pillow side. Patil, catching hold of his feet, began to say, "He has come up, all hopes of his life now said. Do not worry. Your hundi has been taken back and you will soon become healthy. I am worried about Tatya only, that on Vijay Dasami day of 1918 he will die. But do not open the secret before anyone, and do not tell it to him also, otherwise he will be afraid." Ramachandra now became quite healthy, but he felt hopeless for the life of Tatya. He knew that Baba's word never go false, and after 2 years only Tatya will leave from this world. He did not open this secret to anybody except Bal Shimpi. He was worried and sad for his life of Tatya. Ramchandra left the bed and began to go there and here. The time was passing quickly. The Bhadrapada, August of 1840, Saka, was coming to an end, and the month of Ashwin, September, was going to start, and the words of Baba came true. Tatya fell ill and he became bedridden. His condition became so critical that he was unable to go for the sight of Baba. This side, Baba was also feeling suffering, and Tatya had full faith on Baba and Baba on God Sri Hari, who was his defender. Tatya's condition had worsened by now. He was not able to even move or used to remember always Baba. Here the condition of Baba also became serious day by day. The day of Vijayadashmi told by Baba had come near. Then Ramachandra Dada and Balishimpi became very fearful. Their bodies were trembling, sweating was passing through. That is the last Tatya now. As the day of Vijayadashmi drawn, the moment of pulse began to become slow and his death was seen imminent. Just then a strange event happened. Tatya's death postponed and his life was saved, but in the place of Baba himself left, and it seemed like a mutual exchange took place. All people began to say that Baba left his body for Tatya. It also seems that Baba gave the sign of the last by telling the name Tatya. Next day, on the morning of 16th October, Baba gave dream to Das Ganu at Padrepur that mosque has fallen. All telis and tambulis of Shiradi usually give me pain, therefore I have left my place. I have come here to inform you to quickly there and collect all sorts of flowers, offer them on my body. Das Ganu also received a letter from Shiradi, and he along with his disciples came to Shiradi, started constant kirtan of Harinam on the Samadhi of Baba. He himself prepared a garland of flowers enchanting Harinam, offered it to Baba Samadhi. A great feast was also arranged on the name of Baba. Feeding the hungry is to feed me. Lakshmi Bai was a lady of a well-to-do family. She served Baba day and night in the mosque. Except devotees Mahal Sapati, Tatya, Lakshmi Bai, nobody else could climb the stairs of mosque in the night. On one time during the evening, when Baba was sitting with Tatya in the mosque, just then Lakshmi Bai came and saluted him. Then Baba began to say, "Oh Lakshmi, I am very hungry." She returned saying, "Baba, wait for a while. I just come back with chapatis for you." She brought chapatis and vegetables, put it before Baba. Then he gave it to the hungry dog. Then Lakshmi Bai began to say, "Baba, what is this? I went quickly and brought chapatis for you, prepared by my own hands. You threw it to dog without taking a single mouth. Then why did you trouble me for nothing?" Baba replied that do not become sad. To feed the dog is equal to feeding me. Dog also has the soul. Living beings may be in a different shape, nature. Some of them can speak, some of them are dumb, but hunger is all equal. You know, it is truly that who feeds the hungry in fact feeds me. This is firm truth. Though this simple event, Baba has given the education of great spiritual truth that without troubling the feelings of anyone, how can it be applied into daily life? After Lakshmi Bai daily became give him milk and love and devotion, chapati and other eatables, which he accepted and ate with good taste. He sent some reminder of it to Radha Krishna Mai through Lakshmi Bai. She used to get this leftover food with love in the form of prasad. Sai in his last moment. At his last moments, Baba told all to go from there. Worried Kaka Sahib Bhuti and other gentlemen who were present in the mosque in the service of Baba, Baba told them to go to Vada and return back after taking their food. In this situation, they did not want to leave Baba alone, but they could not also disobey the orders of Baba. Therefore, unwillingly, with a sad and painful heart, they had to go to Vada. They knew that the condition of Baba was very critical, and in this situation, it is not good to leave him alone. They sat for taking their meal, but their hearts were engaged in Baba. The meals has not yet finished while the news of Baba leaving the mortal body came to them, and they, half-fed, leaving their plates, ran towards the mosque and saw the Baba was taking internal peace in the lap of Baiji Appakote. He neither rolled down nor lay on the bed, sitting calmly on his seat, giving donation with his hands. He left his mortal body. Jai Sai Ram.